All right, my fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Today's video, we're going to be going over the Fed, guys. All right. The people that keep on destroying your money, guys. All right. So I don't know if you've been to the grocery store lately or the gasoline station lately, but prices are ridiculous, guys. All right. And it's something that's called inflation, and it's here to stay, guys. The Fed has messed up. They admit it themselves. And look at the damage it's causing to the market. All right, guys. So don't panic. The market will sell off a little bit more, guys. Historically, every time interest rates are increased or adjusted, there's always a negative impact to the market, but this could be temporary, guys. All right, so be on the lookout because there'll be buying opportunities. As you can see here, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Qs, guys. So all these indexes are at least down 10 to 20%, guys. All right, so there'll be some major buying opportunities right now. Like I said, the Feds are going to expeditiously just keep on raising interest rates because they have to tame this beast that's called inflation. All right, guys, because inflation, what it does, eats away at your buying power. All right, so let's say something you could have bought for $10, guys, 2 years ago. Right now it costs about $15 to $18. All right, guys, so that's inflation. All right, so inflation means that you need more money to purchase something now than you did in the past. All right, because the price increases, there's more dollars out there in circulation, devaluing your money, so making it worth less, not worthless, guys, worth less than it did just a few years ago. Okay, so the way the Fed has to rectify this, guys, is basically raising interest rates, and that's going to impact a lot of things. All right, not just the stock market, but the real estate market as well. All right, let me go ahead and show you an example really quickly. All right, so these are the major indexes that I follow in the stock market, guys, and look at this. Red, guys. All right, so one day you seem like you're up, portfolio is doing well. Oh, we're out of this little rut, and then all of a sudden the market sells off. So yeah, guys, be very cautious. There'll be a lot of buying opportunities. Like I said, have your cash ready. Keep on pumping at your work, guys. Put in some extra overtime if you can. That way you have as much money as possible to invest in these hard hit assets that'll eventually produce you great returns, guys. All right, on your money. All right, so the way it works in real estate, guys, is when interest rates are adjusted. So when interest rates go up, historically home prices have to come down to adjust because the estimated mortgages on these payments, guys, are sometimes not feasible for the ordinary American. Okay, so what happens is that when inflation starts ticking up, guys, the Fed have to neutralize it by raising interest rates, essentially making money more expensive to acquire. As mortgages become more expensive, people are unable to purchase these homes. Essentially what happens is that homeowners have to essentially bring down their price to the market level so that it makes it more feasible for people to go out and get a mortgage. All right, so this is exactly what I'm talking about here. You guys can see here, we're going to start off in Oregon. So Nevada, you can see here, price cut after price cut, guys. All right, this is my neighborhood around here. So yeah, you're going to start seeing a lot more of this, guys. So like I said, prepare your money, guys, because there is going to be buying opportunities, not just in real estate and the stock market. There'll be other opportunities as well, buying businesses, things like that. All right, remember in this channel what we discuss is money, how to go out there and get it. Most importantly, how to invest it to create financial freedom, guys. That's the ultimate battle cry. Financial freedom, baby. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. So the only way to acquire that is through investing. All right, I appreciate the support on the channel. If you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that we can share information with as many investors as possible. Help them and yourselves create financial freedom, guys. All right, stay tuned for the next video.